Ever wondered how much a typical garage door weighs? In this video, we'll break down the factors that affect garage door weight and why it matters for your home. The weight of a garage door depends on several factors, including the materials used. Steel garage doors are popular for their durability and can weigh anywhere between 100 to 150 pounds for a standard door. Wood garage doors, while heavier and offering a classic look, can weigh over 300 pounds. Aluminum garage doors are lightweight, while insulated doors tend to be heavier due to the extra layers of material. It's important to know your garage door's weight, especially when it comes to selecting the right garage door springs. Torsion springs and extension springs help balance the door, making it easier to open and close. For larger double garage doors, the weight can exceed 400 pounds. Whether you have a manual or automatic door, proper weight distribution is crucial for functionality and safety. If you're unsure about the weight of your garage door or are planning a new installation, it's always a good idea to consult with a professional to ensure everything is properly balanced and installed. For more information, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.